Today, we are going to explore some of the health benefits of basil. Ever wondered what makes basil more than just a culinary delight? This fragrant herb, often found gracing our pasta dishes, pizzas, and salads, is much more than just a garnish. Known for its distinctive aroma and flavor, basil plays a crucial role in various cuisines worldwide, particularly Mediterranean and Asian. But have you ever thought about why it's been a staple in these diets for centuries? The answer lies in its remarkable health benefits. Packed to the brim with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, basil is a potent herb that can boost your health in ways you wouldn't imagine. It's rich in vitamin K, essential for blood clotting, and a good source of iron, calcium, and vitamin C. Its lush green leaves are also loaded with antioxidants, those tiny warriors that fight against harmful free radicals in our body. Intriguing, isn't it? How something so small can be brimming with so much goodness. So, what does this green powerhouse do for your health? Well, let's start with digestion. Basil is known to promote a smoother digestion process. It's rich in eugenol, a compound that acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, soothing your gut and assisting in the breakdown of food. But the wonders of basil don't stop there. This humble herb is a formidable ally in strengthening your immune system. Packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants, basil helps to fortify your body's defenses, keeping those pesky colds and flus at bay. Speaking of keeping things at bay, let's talk about inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems, but basil steps in as a natural combatant. It's rich in flavonoids and anti-inflammatory compounds, helping to reduce swelling and pain. Now, onto a benefit that's a little less tangible, but equally important. Basil can be a great aid in managing stress. It contains an adaptogen called rosmarinic acid, which helps your body to cope with stress more effectively. And lest you think these benefits are merely hearsay, rest assured, they're backed by scientific research. Numerous studies have explored the healthful properties of basil, providing a wealth of evidence supporting these claims. Impressive, isn't it? But that's not all. Basil's benefits extend beyond just our physical health. Did you know basil also plays a crucial role in promoting mental well-being? This humble herb is a powerhouse in reducing stress and anxiety. Its natural compounds act as adaptogens, substances that help the body adapt to stress and promote mental balance. Imagine the difference a pinch of basil could make to your daily diet, contributing to your overall well-being. So next time you see basil, remember, it's not just a herb, it's a treasure trove of health benefits.